इतनी दुखी हूँ मैं कि मैं सुंदर दिखती हूँ तो मुझे लोग सीरियसली नो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी लाइक आई लव दैट टेकिंग दैट लिटिल पंगे एंड प्रूविंग पीपल रॉन्ग।
आपके स्पॉटिफाई के आपके कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे आपके कितने कितने आपके नंबर्स हैं?
और देयर इज अ बायस व्हेन दे सी कि इसके फॉलोअर्स ज्यादा हैं एंड एवरीथिंग। अच्छा गाना गाते हो, ट्रेंड हो, ये हो वो, सोशल मीडिया कितने नंबर्स हैं? नहीं है तो फिर बाहर निकलो।
फ्रीडम और एक वो कोलैबोरेटिव स्पिरिट कितनी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है।
अगर बांधोगे तो वो आपको उतना ही फिर मिलेगा जितनी मैं बंधी हुई हूँ। अगर मुझे डांस करना है तो मैं इतना ही डांस कर पाऊंगी। अगर आपने मुझे खुला छोड़ दिया, आई फील लाइक कोलैबोरेशंस आर द बेस्ट।
आशा जी कितना बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है आप।
तो इवन दो डैड डंडा लेके बैठते थे कि लता जी के गाने आने चाहिए तो सब आ जाएंगे। आशा जी हैज ऑलवेज बीन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेन कैरेक्टर एनर्जी।
A lot of things they are dictated by algorithms and the entire 3-second rule and 5-second rule.
अच्छा, ये पहले 15 सेकंड में लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं? बिकॉज वट एवर सेड एंड डन, अटेंशन स्पैन गोल्डफिश मेमोरी है। हाय, दिस इज अकासा एंड यू गाइज आर वाचिंग मेमोरेबल कॉन्वर्सेशंस विद फारिदून शहरयार।
आकाशा, जब तलक की आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही थी, वर यू डांसिंग इन द स्टूडियो?
वेरी मच यस। आई थिंक मुझे स्टेप्स नहीं पता थे, इतना आइकॉनिक एक हुक स्टेप होगा बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो इट्स बेस्ड ऑन शाहिद कपूर, बट आई वाज डांसिंग
And you
and doing
enjoy?
a lot of other nautanki. Yeah. I don't think there's ever been a studio session touchwood जो मैंने enjoy। मैं बहुत मौज मस्ती रुकनी नहीं चाहिए is my motto in studios.
Okay, and till 2-3 days before the release of the song, you were not sure that whether your voice is going to be the final voice.
No, in fact, with this one, I think everyone, even people from Pritam Das team, was so excited that because obviously I've built a relationship with them over the years, and like I love them, they love me, so they were also very excited. They were like, "आ रहा है गाना, आ रहा है गाना, आ रहा है," and one of them was like, "किसी को बताना नहीं कि मैंने आपको बताया, पर आ रहा है," and I was just like, so yeah.
All right, and when was the first time that you heard the final mix?
So during, they did one cool thing. The first ever teaser of Cocktail was dropped with this song. There was no other show, matlab scene or something. The teaser was this song, and they released it during Dhurandhar. So right before the movie started was, and in the theater when I went to watch Dhurandhar is when I first heard my voice in the theater. उसके पहले मैंने mix कुछ सुना नहीं था. So I had no idea how I was sounding. It was straight up on the big screen, which was, now that I think about it, a very cool and surreal feeling.
ओके, कोई भी फिल्म जब एक कामयाबी की तरफ बढ़ने लगती है सिनेमा हॉल पर रिलीज होने के बाद, एंड पीपल स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग विद इट, एंड यू नो इट हैपेंस विद रोमांसेस दैट बहुत ही फ्यू एंड फार इन बिटवीन रोमांसेस दे वर्क। मुझे लगता है कि सैयारा के बाद में अगर कोई फिल्म मुझे पसंद आई है रोमांटिक फिल्म, तो देन देयर हैज टू बी कॉकटेल टू।
Oh, you watched it, you liked it, right?
Yeah, I liked it. And
I liked it
see,
as well.
yeah, so it is a sort of film that'll grow further.
Yes.
और ये फिर सिर्फ ये आज के दौर की फिल्म नहीं होती, ये काफ़ी दिनों के बाद में भी ये गाने जो हैं ये इनके बारे में बात होगी। what does that tell you, like legacy value जब किसी गाने में ऐड हो जाता है तो आप कैसे देखते हो उसको? You've had certain songs which have had legacy value.
Yeah, I think the cool part about songs and films right now in the era of internet, like internet is king right now. Social media especially is king. You know, कभी-कभी हमें गानों का immediately पता चल जाता है कि ये this will hold a legacy and this one's gonna last. Like we knew that about Sayara when it came out, right? Not came out. Wow. I feel like I can't tell right now with whether ये होगा कि नहीं, but the cool part is Khich Meri Photo was my debut song, and it had a rage when it came out, but the re-release is what actually gave it like a mohra of legacy.
Stamp.
Because वो after the re-release, after so many years, वो एक फिर से वायरल चला गया, एक फिर से, और अब लोगों को भी पता है कि मैंने गाया है. सो आई थिंक नाउ आई एम नॉट इन एन अर्जेंसी कि अरे क्या ये गाना ऑलरेडी फॉरएवर वाला बन चुका है, क्या ये लोगों को ये सीजनल है, नहीं है. One thing about Jab Tak I can say is Touchwood is it doesn't seem like a seasonal song. People are resonating with, especially that part that I have sung.
Correct.
But I'm not even if right now I don't get that immediate validation कि ये तो forever song है, I will be patient because हो सकता है 2 साल बाद सोशल मीडिया पे कोई रील वायरल हो और ये गाना लोगों को फिर से याद आए, and they're like यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा गाना था यार. So I think it's a right now a legacy can be attached to a song at any period, even 7 years of it releasing. Having said that, obviously, I would. Cocktail One music does carry immediately after it came out. They were all forever songs.
Correct.
So I am blessed to be a part of that same sort of branding and automatically that same legacy. But I'm really glad that Jab Talak did find a place in people's hearts. It's really because right now thoda hearts are a little difficult to please also. Some really good content is coming out. So jab aaya tha gana, immediately, especially my part, everyone was like, oh, you can't compare to Tumi O Bandhu. And I was like, wait, why are people, this is a very different song. Tumi O Bandhu is very different because it was one of the first, right? Cocktail. So all the comments are like, nothing can beat Tumi O Bandhu. And we were like, Tumi O Bandhu. But then we realized ki it's very big shoes to fill. So thoda after a couple of weeks, after other songs dropped and everything, Jab Talak found its place and I'm very, very happy. It was difficult. The moment they started comparing it to Tumi Ho Bandhu, I was like, एक minute, वो गाने को तो मैं भी, I would also not compare anything to that song. So, yeah.
Right. You know, the interesting part is that you said about the social media part of it. We live in an era when a lot of things, they are dictated by algorithms and the entire 3-second rule and 5-second rule.
Yep.
Say something like Jab Talak, for example. I'm not saying that it's a conscious effort, but the moment it starts, it falls into that hook element. That the way it
Yeah.
starts, the groove, the way it starts,
Yeah.
it has that thing that अगर वो start हुआ है तो फिर आप आगे उसको आप सुनोगे भी, आप उसको
सुनोगे. हाँ जी.
देखोगे भी.
हाँ जी.
जब क्रिएटिवली इस तरीके के अटेम्प्ट्स किए जाते हैं, कितने कामयाब लगते हैं आपको? It's not forced.
It's not. I feel like because I'm also a songwriter, so I've been in that process also. I can speak for independent music. जब हम singles बनाते हैं, 100% this is a conscious thing creatively also. कि अच्छा ये पहले 15 सेकंड में लोगों को पसंद आएगा कि नहीं, because whatever said and done, goldfish attention span, goldfish memory है. Having said that, so I don't know if a legend like Pritam Da also has to think like that ki oh, virality and everything, because he like it's him, he's given us a lot of songs. So I don't know if film music also thinks like that, but हाँ इस दौर में definitely one of the agendas is अच्छा म्यूजिक बनाना है, अच्छे लिरिक्स बनाने हैं, पहले 30 सेकंड में लोगों को पसंद आना चाहिए. वो रहता है. अब हम इंडिपेंडेंट उसमें क्या करते हैं कि some artists, some of us are so जिद्दी and we believe in a song so much कि even if we are like यार ये पहले 30 सेकंड में obviously इसके बाद ज्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है, but then we believe in it so much. Like I know I have had discussions like this where I'm like मुझसे नहीं होगा वो कि you know if someone's given a feedback कि एक काम कर, ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना ये शुरू में ही ले आ. अरे क्यों शुरू में ले आऊं, एक कहानी होती है गाने की, एक कुछ. So a song like Jab Talak could have that because the bass and the everything, like it's a big band song, right? It's a very live arrangement thing.
Correct.
All the big drums and the big saxophone comes in the beginning, but I don't think they in films or a legend like him has to worry about that, and I don't think he did. But yeah, this is one of the things we have to be a little conscious about these days. It's sad, but it is what it is. That कई बार कई गाने हमें लगता है कि नहीं नहीं ये पहले 30 सेकंड में थोड़ा और पहले ही हमें उनको दे देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये वहां तक शायद नहीं पहुंचेंगे. So it is, and it's only because of social media. Because if you hear songs which we still hear from even 2000s, I'm not even going to go to 90s, जो हमारे 2000s के इतने लंबे लंबे इंट्रो और सुनते थे. Like we would, not only would we listen, we today also if we like us especially millennials or the early Gen Zs, उनको पूरा इंट्रो याद होता है 1 मिनट का, अलग अलग पार्ट्स हम गाते हैं बिफोर द हुक कम्स इन. So, but I do think that we are the last generation to have that much patience because the newer ones want it like, कि अरे शुरू गाना कब शुरू होगा भाई, ये मैंने सुना भी है. And I'm just like, interesting,
ओके.
interesting.
नाउ जैस्मीन सैंडलर से आपकी बड़ी दोस्ती है, आप लोगों ने साथ में रील्स भी अपने करे हैं, बड़े कमाल के रिस्पॉन्सेज हैं.
हाँ जी.
अभी उनका एक गाना आया था और सत्येंद्र सरताज का सजना, धुरंधर में,
Oh,
लेकिन
जाइए सजना.
उसमें जाइए सजना, लेकिन उसमें वो ट्रैपिंग्स एग्जैक्टली नहीं है. वो एक अपने ही पेस का गाना है एंड इट वेंट ऑन टू बिकम वन ऑफ द
100%.
बिगेस्ट हिट्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम्स.
You know, that is an example that I just thought of that song and I got a little bit of goosebumps because I think that's one of the, how do I explain? This is what I was talking about, where some of us artists are still stubborn and we are like, we are not going to fall for that trope. Or I believe Jasmine always has been like that. The world is seeing Jasmine today. Um, they've been seeing it. A huge part of it has known her forever because she's been a trailblazer in Punjab industry. Like I don't think a woman has the way she knocked shoulders with male artists there. Anyway, I can speak about her forever because I also love her so much.
करेक्ट.
But she is one of those artists. See, उसने ऐसे कई गाने लिखे हैं. अगर आप जैस्मिन की डिस्कोग्राफी पढ़ो सुनोगे, this is peak Jasmine, right? The तेरे जाने तो the lyrics that straight away hit you. मतलब और वो जो है वो बोलती है. There are albums of hers where she has not cared about कि मैं start में बोलूंगी, मैं start में music करूंगी. She's like, this is what I'm feeling and I'm gonna give it to them and they'll feel it too. I think this song is one of the peak examples of that, where I know her and Shashwat must have gotten to a studio. Shashwat is also one of those ziddi artists ki I believe in this. This is for you and people will like it. They will resonate. I don't think they realize what a masterpiece they were creating, but I know that in that room there was Jasmine's brutal honesty, Shashwat's this thing, and then they decided to create some drugs into the song where they brought in
सत्येंद्र सरताज.
Satinder Sartaaj and that line. And see, these songs are where, in some capacity, a few of us are still fighting little bit कि तुम सुनो. So we where we drop कि ये commercial एक बीच में ये भी, thankfully we still have that because the songs like जाइए सजना कि लोग ये भी सुन रहे हैं. लोग ओ सजनी वे को भी वायरल कर रहे हैं जो स्टार्ट में सिर्फ एक म्यूजिक चल रहा है बहुत टाइम के लिए. So it's then you have to have that kind of belief and
कन्विक्शन.
that kind of conviction, because then a label, a production house, someone cannot come and tell you कि नहीं यार ये नहीं 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 ये कोई सुनेगा, इतनी देर थोड़ी सुनेगा, because then you have to stand that ground and be like नहीं नहीं सुनेंगे, हम बोल रहे हैं आपको सुनेंगे. Then so it's a yeah, it is this is like the true artist passion, conviction, self belief. And then obviously I'm pretty sure Aditya Dhar was one of those directors who was like tum karo. If you hear the whole album, the amount of times Aditya Dhar would have to be like हाँ tum karo, because I'm sure they were like एक मिनट ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम, ये कौन सी रैपर आ गई है बीच में और ये कौन सी beats है. And I'm sure that happened, right? But everyone was on the same page and there was so much trust and belief, and I feel like when an artist has that, they will only bloom.
ओके. यू लव्ड गफूर एज वेल. आई थिंक थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में और बात करते हैं बिकॉज आपका ना एक नेचुरली एक वेस्टर्न आपका एक नेचुरल है, पंजाबी भी आपका एक बहुत नेचुरली आपको आता है एंड
हाँ
यू
जी.
फॉलो इनटू दैट ग्रूव वेरी वेरी नाइसली. समथिंग जिस तरीके से रिक्रिएशंस करे हैं धुरंधर में फॉर एग्जांपल, जो रैप पोर्शंस हैं, इवन इवन
हाँ जी.
दिल का जो गाना आता है, जिस तरीके से
Yeah.
रैप के पोर्शंस को यूज़ किया है एंड ओरिजिनल यूज़ किया है, इट इज़ सेंसेशनल. Do you enjoy that? Does it give you like some ideas that आप उसमें एक traditional element भी रख सकते हो, at the same time you can have Western elements, and Western elements like
You know,
full on Western elements.
full on. Yeah. I think that is why this was such a sensational album, and there was a shift. This album caused a shift because um, this whole team, Shashwat, and everybody involved showed क्योंकि यार हम एज अ कंट्री जितना कल्चर और डाइवर्स कल्चर हमारे म्यूजिक में है, it's nowhere in the world. So we can do what an like this album proved that yes, we can go the Western route, but look what happens when we mix our culture with it.
Correct.
And when done well, see, इसमें कोई backlash, if you think about it, the moment you think of oh recreation remix, एक backlash automatically आ जाता है. अरे why are you spoiling classics यार? ये artists को भी आता है, audiences को भी आता है, और ये
Correct.
trendy भी है to say this, you know, to but I didn't see a lot of backlash on this. I didn't actually maybe see any backlash. Why is that? Because it was done well. It kept the soul of हम प्यार करने वाले. मुझे अभी भी अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि बहुत सोच समझ के respectfully उसको भी प्यार देके Rebel, who's the rapper on that, it's when done well and when done with so much. It's not done just because सुनना वो गाना हिट है उसको रिक्रिएट करते हैं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हिट है, तो अब रिक्रिएट करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो वाला हिट हो जाएगा और let's just make something on it. That's when remixes don't work, when you're only holding on to the hit factor of the past. When done this way, when you've I feel like there was effort in creating something new while keeping the old thing alive. So I'm all for it, and I think I done this way nobody will mind it. Also there are so many folk songs जो बहुत अच्छे से रिक्रिएट किए थे और हमें हमें उनसे बहुत प्यार है. उस पे I don't think anyone will have a problem. It's when they are done. वो एक ऑनेस्टी होती है ना, एक इंटेंशन होता है. वो जब
Correct.
सिर्फ नंबर्स होता है तो maybe it doesn't do as well. Maybe it does, but it's not always gonna do that well, or it's gonna have its backlash on it.
Correct. So when it comes to collaboration, a lot of what we hear in Durandar, for example, is that Shashwat has a very very open sort of mindset. That he lets the singers do their own thing. Like he lets
Yeah.
Jasmine do her own thing, write lyrics the way she wants to. Incorporating Rebel, for example, that this is what your strength is. You do your own thing.
Yeah.
Something of the similar sort has always been the high point of Rahman sir, A.R. Rahman sir as well, that he lets his artists have a lot of freedom. लाइक एक कुछ
Right.
बंदिश नहीं होती कि कि आपको इसी में आपको खेल सकते हो, उसके बियॉन्ड आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. वो एक फ्रीडम और एक वो कोलैबोरेटिव स्पिरिट कितनी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है.
You know, I'm manifesting actually here ki I get to experience that freedom with Rahman sir soon. And Shashwat actually, I'm very excited to work with him. I don't think any artist will disagree, but jab aap, especially if you're getting someone, for example, if you're getting me to come do one of the things that I love doing, which is like Punjabi folk sort of a thing. जब आप मुझे अगर बांधोगे तो वो आपको उतना ही फिर मिलेगा जितनी मैं बंधी हुई हूँ. अगर मुझे डांस करना है तो मैं इतना ही डांस कर पाऊंगी. अगर आपने मुझे खोल दिया, खुला छोड़ दिया in a thing that you got me for.
Correct.
Like it's not like you've got Akasa and you're expecting her to sing like a Gujarati Garba song, which I'm pretty sure I can also do, just by the way. But you know what I mean. If you're getting me to do, if you're getting a Rebel, 100% giving them that freedom, or maybe just being like, hey, this is the song, which a lot of iconic music directors do, by the way. This is the song, this is the brief. The best music directors are, they're like, aap ye ga do aise, and then let's do a take where you want to do what you want to do. Because it's not, sometimes when you go for a film song, a director has a certain vision. Like if he wants Akasa's folk to be like what modern folk will be, then he will make me sing that way. But a lot of, and this I'm seeing, by the way, recently. Maybe it's times are changing. Younger talent is coming. Music directors have started getting very like, ठीक है, तुम give me something of yours also. And 100% that freedom is necessary, yes.
Correct.
But it's only for the better. I don't think. I think कि when it's a lot is at stake, तुम दोनों करा लो ना. तुम्हें जो एक तुम्हारा एक idea है, you make. I'm always like that. I love collaborating this thing where. And अब I think after so much time in the industry, मुझे वो झिझक भी चली गई. मैं सामने से बोलती हूँ, listen, I want to try something. Can I do it? And all it takes is that little one moment of asking them, and they'll be like, okay. But you artists also have to be okay with कि अच्छा मैंने ये आइडिया दिया पर वो रिजेक्ट हो गया क्योंकि वो नहीं चल रहा, क्योंकि हम थोड़े सेंसिटिव होते हैं ना, तो हमें लगता है कि अरे मैंने ये बोल दिया और उन्होंने मना कर दिया तो कितनी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. अब आई हैव लेट गो ऑफ दैट. नाउ आई विल बी लाइक हे लिसन, there is a song that just came out yesterday of mine. It's called Baby Dood I Do.
Yeah,
It's
I
the
saw that.
title track.
Huma Qureshi's.
हाँ जी, तो वो
Hmm.
ट्रेलर जो ड्रॉप हुआ इसमें गाना आई थिंक आज ड्रॉप होगा.
Hmm.
The music director and everyone was sitting. We've dubbed it right here. It was such a collaboration that if you hear that song, मैंने उसमें I've rapped in that, I've sung in that. But इतनी मस्तियों में मैंने इतने tones हमने किए हैं that we didn't realize because it was such a, hey, you want me to do it like that? Yeah. Okay, do this, do that. It was such a back and forth that when I'm listening to the song, or I played it to a couple of people, my own parents were like, ये भी तेरी आवाज है, ये भी तेरी आवाज है, ये भी तेरी आवाज है. And I was like, that is what happens when you're like, because then even I got in that comfort zone of, hey, listen, should I do this? And he was like, oh, yeah, sure, you can. Something beautiful is created out of it, which maybe when we were starting off, we had thought कि हम ABCD बनाते हैं, but वो फिर EFGHIJKL काफी कुछ बन जाता है. So I feel like collaborations are the best. And we are in the best era where everything is a collaboration.
आप इस एल्बम में एक एक और गाना बहुत ज़्यादा मशहूर हो रहा है, आपको भी पसंद है, आपने भी रील बनाई है, माशूका, मम्मा माशूका. आई
हाँ,
पर्सनली
मेरा
आई
गाना है ही
पर्सनली
नहीं वो. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसमें मैंने कोई गाना नहीं गाया. By the
आई
way,
नो, आई नो.
I just love that song
या
so much
इट
that
इज़, इट इज़,
I
इट्स
love
रियली
that
अ
song. Yeah,
वेरी वेरी कूल सॉन्ग. एंड जो उसमें इटालियन एक एलिमेंट उन्होंने लिया है, महमूद करके एक
very cool.
सिंगर हैं, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद किया जा रहा है. When you heard that song for the first time, because anything that
Yeah,
is out of the normal, it's something
box.
that, and that is one song that it's literally just growing on everyone's hearts. कैसे देखते हो आप
Yes.
अगर कोई गाना जो है एकदम दिमाग पे आपके चढ़ जाए और आपका अगर हो भी ना हो?
हाँ, yeah. I think एक तो पहले तो I was very happy with when you hear that song. Obviously, Mahmood has killed it, and it has an Italian vibe. But फिर Raghav and Rua K, जो Rua K is the female voice and Raghav Chaitanya is the male voice, जो हमारे singers हैं, उन्होंने भी क्या kill किया है. If you like हम, you feel like we keep saying oh ये बहुत international है as a compliment. I remember hearing it and feeling like, what? We are also same level. Like, there is no international and national. We like look at what we are creating,
So that
and look at the talent.
Mama Mashuka line is Raghav's.
Raghav is that
Hmm.
Mama Mama Shuka. There is one part where Mahmood has also sung it, but
Hmm.
that's Raghav's voice.
Hmm.
And in one of the part, which also sounds very like an English singer they've got.
अच्छा, जैसे
Hmm.
जब मैं आपकी आवाज़ सुनता हूँ तो मुझे ना एक उसमें जो एक जो ग्रूव है, जिस तरीके से आप इंजॉय करती हैं, जिस तरीके से आपका एक सेंस ऑफ फन है, मुझे लगता है किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के अंदर एक सेंस ऑफ फन, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, चाहे वो एक्ट्रेस हो, चाहे वो सिंगर हो, सेंस ऑफ फन
हाँ
बहुत
जी.
इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो आपको स्टैंड आउट करता है. जैसे आशा भोसले जी का गाना है आइए मेहरबा, मुझे कुछ वाइब, जैसे
Yes.
अभी आप हिमांशु का गा रही थी, तो मुझे एक वो वाली वाइब फील होती है आपकी आवाज़ में. इवन जनरली और भी मैंने आपके पंजाबी गाने भी सुने. आशा जी कितना बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन है आपके लिए?
I think you gave such a right example. अगर आप ये मेहरमा सुनते हैं, आशा जी मस्ती करती थी गाते गाते. If you ever hear it, she only used to and I can imagine, even though मैंने उनकी recordings देखी नहीं होंगी, कि वो जो actress कर रही है, वो already she must be doing all of that while dubbing. I think she has been growing up a very, very, very big inspiration. I think I was more inspired by her than क्योंकि मुझे लगता था लता जी is like very untouchable for me, like very because उनकी I've not been classically trained. अभी recently मैंने शुरू किया है. तो इवन दो डैड डंडा लेके बैठते थे कि लता जी के गाने आने चाहिए तो सब आ जाएंगे ये वो like which every single father would say to her daughter. But I was always like, okay, but why not? Like, I'll just learn these. Not that he ever said that you should not do, but I think the masti and I could sing it in a different tone. So for a lot of us, I think Asha ji was that thoda away from the norm sort of a thing,
Correct.
breaking that कि हाँ टिपिकल इंडियन वॉइस ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए. She was like, I will show you. ये भी कर सकते हैं. And it's not like she could do a sad classical song with equal grace and ease. And what a diva, मतलब उस time पे way ahead of his time. I always say this, Asha ji has always been the definition of main character energy जो हम आजकल social media में बोलते हैं. And I think she's been a queen. And definitely there has been, because बचपन में उन्हीं के गाने I used to sing. Her and then of course Sunidhi Chauhan a little more because at that age Sunidhi was the, like when I was of age of being like, okay, ab mujhe gana gana hai, it was Sunidhi. But I think for even Sunidhi, Asha ji has been that someone had mentioned recently and she said that of course Asha ji's songs. So yeah,
Right. So which is your
Asha ji was
favorite?
the OG main character energy.
100%. Which is your all-time favorite Asha Bhosle song?
You know, you're gonna laugh, but I'm gonna talk about this a lot of classics. But for me, because we're 90s, and there are videos of me as Choti Si Hu Main, and I was like, "Naat Shabnami." That is why I used to not sing. Like dad used to be like, Asha ji, Lata ji ke gaane gao. At that time, it was not acceptable. I'm in a very good era right now where you can give your own touch. तब ऐसा लगता था कि उनके जैसे नहीं गा रहे तो मत गाओ ये गाना. But yeah, she was. I remember this song, and because I was in a musical family, and I there is a video. इतनी छोटी सी हूँ मैं and मैं video चल रही है. My mom used to play a lot of music videos. I used to think मैं ही हूँ ये मेरा ही गाना चल रहा है. And this I used to जानम समझा करो something like that. You just reminded me of a very
That's
cute
that's
memory.
amazing. That's amazing. Okay, now देखिए क्या है
Mm.
कि when it comes to singing, as far as Indian scene is concerned, so indie
Mm.
pop has been there, especially 90s में काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहा. अलीशा चनोय का जो एक दौर जिस तरीके से हमने देखा, लेकिन उसके
Yes.
उसके पहले और उसके बाद जो एक नॉन फिल्म म्यूज़िक का जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है इंडिया में, थोड़ा सा उतना ज़्यादा उसको इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दी गई. इट्स प्राइमरली फिल्म म्यूज़िक. और फिल्म म्यूजिक में कॉन्सेप्ट
100%.
ये है कि जो सिंगर्स हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल फीमेल सिंगर्स अगर हैं, सो वो सिंस प्लेबैक सिंगर्स हैं, सो दे डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक परफॉर्मर्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ लुकिंग वाइज, द वे वेस्ट
Yeah.
में फॉर एग्जांपल होता है कि दैट इट्स नॉट लाइक मराया कैरी है या फिर बियॉन्से है. सो
Everyone.
नॉट ओनली दे आर ग्रेट लुकर्स बट दे आर ग्रेट सिंगर्स एज वेल. इंडिया में कुछ हद तक सुनिधि इज चेंजिंग दैट. And when it comes to you, for example, do you at times face that slight level of prejudice that she's a pretty face, and आपके लुक्स के ऊपर ध्यान शायद ज़्यादा चला जाए और आपके जो सिंगिंग टैलेंट है शायद उसको स्लाइटली अंडरमाइन किया जाता हो?
Oh yeah, for a long time ये था. And it's so funny that something that should be a plus point, what people don't realize is it's a very silly term. It's called pretty privilege as well. But वो हर बार वो काम नहीं करता है, backfire भी करता है, which did happen with me, especially because I came in with my debut was with Thug Ranjha in 2018, and I was very clear क्योंकि मेरे inspirations रहे हैं सुनिधि या internationally. I was just like, I don't just want to be a voice of a heroine, which मैं हमेशा से इंटरव्यूज में भी बोलते आई हूँ, ये बहुत साल हो गए अब. I was always very clear कि I know how to dance, I know how to act as well, and maybe I've had a lot of experience in front of the camera because in my teenage years I used to do a lot of TV and stuff. But वो मैं जो I wanted to break the norm that singers don't have to, like I remember back then there were even comments from a couple of people कि इतना क्या वर्कआउट कर रही है, तुझे तुझे थोड़ी एक्टर वैक्टर बनना है, तुझे सिंगर ही है ना, like because I was always into fitness. And I was like, I need to break this because 1 minute, why? Like, we are also performers and I want to look the part. And if I'm doing a music video, because I was always obsessed with this door of Wujo 90s and pop. My dad is a pop singer. I've grown up watching his music videos. He was always the face of his songs, right? So I've always wanted that, but definitely beginning में क्या हुआ, first गाना ठगरांझा में तो चलो खैर comments में यही पूछते रह गए लोग कि वाह very pretty, who is the singer? And I was like, मैं ही हूँ. But वो because it was so unheard of. Nagin, उसके बाद like my songs that got popular were the ones where you can't really say that they are very singing गाने, you could very easily be like, हाँ ठीक है, सुंदर है शायद इसलिए गाना ठीक गा लेती है. But I was very consciously, I was with a label, and I was like, guys, I want that, but ये थोड़ा backfire कर रहा है. I want the kind of, because my soul is not in these dance cool. I know I seem across, I come across as a party, but inherent एक अंदर मेरे गजल सुनने वाली नुसरत साहब को सुनने वाली sad girl is the major this thing. So for a lot of years, I tried. In fact, you know what I used to do? Anytime my song used to come out, there was a song that came out, नहीं हो, जो मैंने ही लिखा था, compose किया था. It got some it got some negative comments. It was with Raftar, whatever. I made it a point to make a version of the song which was like sad and singing. And मैंने ये 2-3 गानों के साथ किया. Anytime a song used to come, मेरा कोई गाना ड्रॉप होता था, मैं उसका एक लाइव वर्जन इंस्टाग्राम पर करती थी, वेयर मे बी थोड़ी सी और मैं उसमें गायकी दिखाती थी. So definitely I did have to face this, and somewhere or the other, now after so many years in the industry, I am being taken seriously because of some songs that I've sung where they're like, oh, or where they've seen me live, because my live mein I sing a lot more than the songs that I have which are more dance. Or there are also songs like Dhoonti Farhan that I did, or a couple of other softer songs. So it's funny that people will be like, "Arey, tu to sundar hai, tujhe to jaldi kaam mil ja." No, it was the opposite. I had to actually prove a little more. It's so funny. It's sounding like when Nepo kids say कि हमें भी बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी. I'm not saying, I definitely still use it as a privilege. I'm very, very lucky that I am blessed with these genes. I also work hard to look the way I do. But 100% थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है कि वो थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रूव करना पड़ता है कि ओ ये तो अच्छा, ये गाना भी गाती है, ओ अच्छा अच्छा, ओ यू कैन सिंग. लाइक आई हैव हर्ड people actually come up to me and be like for example, if I'm sitting here and if there are 5 people and they're like, Gana sunao, I will not sing na gin din gin gin gin. I'll sing something which is like, I'll sing a Tere Bin Nahi Lagda from Nusrat Ji or something. And there they're like, oh bro, yaar, you can actually sing. And I'm like, so imagine hearing like, oh, you can actually sing. So I did have that consciously, which is why I used to somewhere or the other prove on Instagram by posting covers where that they would not expect me to sing. That, okay, I can actually also sing, by the way. So it's I would still not say कि oh my god, इतनी दुखी हूँ मैं कि मैं सुंदर दिखती हूँ तो मुझे लोग seriously. No, I'm very happy with this pretty privilege. I'll just prove a little कि yeah. And I am someone who likes like proving people wrong. Like I ride a bike and I still love when people are like, अरे ये आपके लिए भारी नहीं है. And I'm like, क्यों, like why are you looking at me like that? क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं चला नहीं सकती बाइक इसलिए. Like I love that little taking that little pange and proving people wrong, because I think I've had to do it for a long time
Okay.
in a
Now,
lot of ways.
अच्छा, हम लोग एक ऐसे भी दौर में आज के टाइम पे हैं कि आपके
हाँ,
स्पॉटिफाई के आपके कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं, आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे आपके
numbers.
कितने कितने आपके नंबर्स हैं, उसके बेसिस पे
हाँ,
लोगों को गाने मिल रहे हैं, लोगों को ब्रांड डील्स मिल रही हैं, और शोज
100%.
शोज मिल रहे हैं. इसको कैसे देखते हैं आप?
मैं बैठ के ये कर सकती हूँ कंप्लेन. I also did dabble into, I think actors do face it a little more than singers. Dabble nahi, matlab I did a show, and I at that time when I was giving auditions or whatever, it's very real where people do thoda sa behave differently, or there is a bias when they see कि इसके followers ज़्यादा हैं and everything. And it's sad, but I don't think anybody can do anything about it, because it's a give and take, and it's not like सभी ऐसा कर रहे हैं. आज कुछ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो टैलेंट को भी कास्ट कर रहे हैं, और कुछ जो मजबूरन अगर ब्रांड बोल रहा है कि नहीं हमें फॉलोअर्स चाहिए और व्हाटएवर, इट्स लाइक you can't do anything. That is the life, that is where we are living, because everyone wants um उसको क्या बोलते हैं, benefit नहीं, profit, right? Like it's become a profitable thing, and it's all social media. um I think what I can do is either be okay with, because I think I'm very recently, in fact, after Jab Talak and everything, not a lot, a couple of people were like, तेरे 700K पे ही followers अभी तक अटके हुए हैं इतने सालों से, तू boost them at least million पे तो पहुंच. And I'm like, but like why? But I am also okay with saying why and being like, नहीं मुझे नहीं बढ़ाने, and then someone being like, नहीं इसके million followers नहीं है, we can't give her this brand deal. Okay, that's fine. I can't sit and complain because that's a choice I'm making.
Correct.
What's not fair is for people to not work on their. See, now it is social media का दौर है. Creators, तो then post your content on Instagram. I know it's very sad because when I see a reel where they are like, अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हो, सीखा है, अच्छा गाना गाते हो, ट्रेंड हो, ये हो वो, सोशल मीडिया कितने नंबर्स हैं, नहीं है, तो फिर बाहर निकलो, तो बढ़ा दो सोशल मीडिया. अगर मैं जाके रियाज कर रही हूँ तो देन आई कैन ऑल्सो लेट्स गेट ऑन दैट सेम जोन की नाउ सोशल मीडिया अनफॉर्चुनेटली इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो वो एक अपनी स्केड्यूल में डाल लो कि अच्छा मुझे ये भी बढ़ाने पड़ेंगे. Am I okay with the fact that some people are not getting the opportunity they should? Because 100%, I'm also very bitter about that. And I also get pissed when sometimes, when I'm seeing, I'm like, why is this person here? They are not even doing a good job only because of their social media. But I think my career has been a very slow burn career, very long time taking, lot of rejections. So I think I have a lot more grace and patience and a lot more कोई बात नहीं attitude. कि अच्छा ये तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर्स बढ़ा सकती हूँ, ठीक है, पैसे डाल के बढ़ाने हैं नहीं, बिकॉज आई फाइंड दैट सो वियर्ड. आई लाइक ऑथेंटिसिटी एंड आई एम लाइक इट्स ओके, क्योंकि वो 700 में से चल अगर 300 भी जेन्युइन है तो सही ना, उतने चलेंगे मुझे. आई प्रॉमिस मैं नहीं रहूंगी कि मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. आई नो मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. आई एम वेरी सेल्फ अवेयर. सो या it's unfair, but it's also the times and people will have to get with it. And also some people need to somewhere be like, talent भी उतना ही important है. तो तुम अगर बिल्कुल ही अच्छे सिंगर को गाना नहीं दे रहे हो only because उसकी social media numbers नहीं है, then that's just very silly. Then that's going to affect your song. मार्केट में एक टाइम पे उसके लिसन्स आ जाएंगे, पर अगर उसने उतना अच्छा नहीं गाया और अगर ये ज्यादा अच्छा गा रहा है तो थोड़ा सबको ही थोड़ा थोड़ा माइंडसेट बदलना पड़ेगा.
मेरा एक सजेशन है आपको. मैंने आपका एक रील देखा,
हाँ जी.
जैस्मिन सैंडलर्स के साथ में आपने एक अनप्लग्ड आपने एक गाना गाया है.
Yeah, it was so random. हाँ.
It's there in your feed. तो मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि उसमें आपके 9,34,000 लाइक्स हैं. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज मस्ट बी देयर. तो अगर आप कुछ अगर आप इस तरीके के अनप्लग्ड अगर आप गाने डालें अपने खुद के या फिर जो आपको पसंद हो, मुझे लगता है कि दैट कैन लिटरली वर्क वेरी वेल फॉर यू.
दैट इज एक्चुअली वेरी ग्रेट एडवाइस, बिकॉज मैं थोड़े मैं भी हूँ लेजी ये सोशल मीडिया को, इसलिए मैं आज अगर आई नो आई एम, जो लोग व्लॉगिंग और व्लॉगर्स जो होते हैं ना यूट्यूब वाले, ये चलती फिरती, आई कुड बी अ यूट्यूब सेंसेशन बिकॉज आई नो द पर्सनैलिटी आई हैव, माई फैमिली दैट आई हैव, हम ऑल ऑफ आवर सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ आवर पर्सनैलिटीज, we can literally have a show on us, but we are all a little lazy and we are all a little like कि please गाने पे focus करते हैं. So coming back to the short story long, the point is I started doing this and it did help. मैंने जब बैठ के जो मैं एक अपनी डॉग को फीड करते हुए गाना गा रही थी, एंड इनफैक्ट व्हेन माय फ्रेंड वाज रिकॉर्डिंग मी, आई वाज लाइक रुक मैं बैठ, शी इज लाइक नो आई डोंट वांट यू टू सिट एंड सिंग, जस्ट फीड हर, सिंग द वे यू वर सिंगिंग, इट्स साउंडिंग ब्यूटीफुल. माई प्रॉब्लम इज ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा परफेक्शनिज्म की आई एम लाइक अच्छा मुझे ये कवर करना है, अच्छा मैं बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करूंगी, फिर वो वैसे कभी भी नहीं आता. सामने कैमरा रखो, जैसे अब मैंने आपको गाने सुना दिए, वैसे ही व्हेन आई सिंग आई डू गेट मोर व्यूज एंड लाइक्स एंड genuine comment that, oh, this sounds so good. I just need to sometimes get a little less lazy and do it. But this is really great advice because I've tested it and it has actually worked.
No, because when I was looking at your social media, your Instagram, so that particular reel is having like 9,34,000
next
likes.
level.
और बाकी कुछ
Jasmine also has something to do.
No, 100%, 100%. But I think it's also about the unplugged element. The fact that you're singing it. 100%. Like for example, if you post like a version of, say for example, Jab Talak, for example, or we will post it, and you can share it, but I think you should do it yourself. So आपको उसका response अलग तरीके का मिलेगा. This is something that I'm very, very
100%.
sure of. And even your tribute to
I'm
Asha
gonna do
Bhosle,
this.
for example, your tribute to Asha Bhosle, your tribute to Lata
Yeah,
ji. So those things, you can find a community of your own. And more
you're right.
important, see what happens is when there is so much of trust deficit right now. I was listening to a song and it is sung by the female version is sung by a politician's wife, and I'm like, this is auto tune in totality, completely. So
Mm,
when people listen to the mix, they tend to have this deficit of trust that it must be auto tune. जो आप इस तरीके से आप गा रहे
yeah.
हो, अगर आप रॉ में
Mm,
आप करोगे, उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज्यादा हो सकता
100%. I am actually going to take this
है.
advice, and मैं 3 दिन पहले there was another song I cover, ऐसे ही मैंने गुनगुना के Instagram पे डाला, बस माइक पे थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट डाल के, like reverb. And while I was sitting and I posted it, I was like, ये मैं खुद क्यों नहीं करती हूँ रोज, जब किसी के लिए कुछ करना होता है तो क्यों. But this is, I'm gonna take this as a sign and actually sit and just record a few songs एक ही टाइम पे. मुझे आलस आता है ना, मैं एक ही टाइम पे रिकॉर्ड करके फिर पोस्ट अलग अलग करूंगी, कपड़े चेंज कर करके. I'm gonna become a content creator now. No,
Okay,
but I will actually
tell
take this
me, tell
advice.
me, tell me, tell me something about the influence of your father and mother. Many people they don't know, but they both are your musical inspirations as well, especially your mother, who gave up her career for you guys. So tell us something about your parents.
Yes, I think it's pretty much, I am blessed that I am such a version of both of them, because imagine such talented, beautiful people coming together. Because my dad has, he's classically trained and of course very blessed with his voice, but there is this certain soul that he has in his tone that now at this age I've realized that, okay, I'm carrying the same thing. Touch wood,
His name,
thank you,
please.
thank you.
His name, please.
Arvinder Singh, that's my dad.
Hmm.
He had like a bunch of, he was actually, when there was no zamana of viral, tab dad was actually viral for one of his hit songs, Pani Sharab mein. Man has major sharab songs, and we are all a family of, we're Sufi family. We don't drink. It's hilarious. But anyway, coming back to the point, my mother was she used to sing, but her focus, she was an actor and she was a Kathak ballet dancer. I think the fact that she grew up in a society, she's from Bombay, but we, like, in the Sikh community, as much as freedom as the daughters have, there is a certain, was, it's completely changed now. There is a certain old school thing of ki kudiyan, like that my mom had to go through in spite of living in Bombay, that kudiyan nu nahi dance, like you're not going to dance or whatever. She in fact used to hide. She was a teacher as well, so she used to hide her gungaroos and go do practices and whatever, and until she had to do a huge world tour, Russia and all of this, with Hema Malini, she didn't tell her family at home. um, and all of that to give up for children. When she had me, she was like, okay, I'm gonna, I think the inspiration that they've been is, my parents, especially my dad, has never been like, okay, there's something that you cannot do because you're a girl. It's so funny. And it's not like he was doing it because my mom had to go through whatever. My dad comes from the same sort of, in fact, he's not even from Bombay, very orthodox sort of a thing. But since childhood, in fact, if I had a dub late at night, like I've been working since like 13, 14. My mom used to be with me at set for, I did a daily soap for almost a year and a half. Every day that woman was with me for 15 hours on the set. She used to drag me for auditions. My dad, till date, drives me sometimes, like he dropped me here. It's not just the, I was not just blessed with the genes, जहाँ उनका काम खत्म हो सकता था, कि मतलब कि विरासत ने हमने तुम्हें लुक्स भी दे दिए, गाना भी दे दिया, डांस भी दे, सब कुछ, एक्टिंग, नौटंकी, सब कुछ दे दिया. बट द फैक्ट दैट if I had a dub late, like at 3 a.m. or whatever, my father was never like, in fact, my mom little bit was कि अकेले कैसे जाएगी, ये वो, blah, blah, blah. My dad was like, अकासा है वो, कर लेगी. Like, I ride bikes and my mom hates it. But like my dad is a little bit like proud. It's I think I'm not only blessed with having parents that are talented and artists themselves, but they've helped me bloom in a way that there is a reason, like thoda sa I have this little bit of badass thing. It's because my parents never told me that there was something I could not do. You know, they used to be like, yeah, you can. अब जाके थोड़ा मम्मी डैडी का हो गया है कि शादी वादी थोड़ा पेरेंट्स जैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स कि शादी कब करेगी बट आई थिंक आई बीन माय पेरेंट्स आर द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से यू आर सो लकी कि वो आर्टिस्ट हैं तो उनको भी समझ में आता है यस बट वो आर्टिस्ट है तो उनको वो ऐसे भी हो सकते थे कि इस इंडस्ट्री में कोई पता नहीं है कि कब काम है कब नहीं है दे कुड हैव बीन लाइक दैट बिकॉज इमेजिन माय ब्रदर इज आल्सो एन आर्टिस्ट ही इज आल्सो अ सिंगर बट टिल डेट देव बीन लाइक नथिंग बट सो हैप्पी लाइक माय डैड विल एक इवेंट में मैं जाती हूँ ही लिटरली बी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम द फैक्ट दैट ही इज आल्सो लाइक अ बिग आर्टिस्ट बट ही watching him become a manager, a fan, a supporter, a cheerleader is is beautiful. Like I'm very, very blessed. And I think today, whatever I am, is because of their constant pushing, because also the rejections that you go through as in this industry is obviously everyone knows, every artist knows. But when you have like these two people standing who understand those rejections, because my father's also been through them, it is a whole different blessing altogether. And yeah, it's very, very typical things that I'm saying, but I think they've been not only that, where my mum would constantly be playing old songs, which she still does. My dad would constantly we used to drive from Mumbai to Himachal like very often. And I would only listen to Nusrat Ji and Ghulam Ali Saab because of my dad. So the culture that I grew up with is I was one up with people. Ghar pe mummy used to my school didn't allow Hindi because like you were supposed to speak in English. But my mom was like, I don't want my children to become like those children who don't know like how to speak in Hindi. So my brother and I are both really good because you see a lot of like Bombay kids also. We not we, but thoda hamara Hindi thoda sa okay. Like my mom was like, I don't want my kids to be like that. And then my dad was like, I don't want them to not speak Punjabi. So there's a rule at home that I can't speak with the moment I speak with my dad in Hindi little bit, it's like, paise nikal. It's not allowed. So little things that today people think I'm from Bombay because my Punjabi is so good. And it has helped in my song as well. So yeah, they've been having artists as your parents that know how to support others' art, like is one of the biggest blessings that I could ever have. And yeah, I'm very, very grateful for both of them. And it's not like my mom actually inspired me to not do what she did, giving up her. Like, I'm very conscious about the fact that ye nahi, I will not do that. And it's not like she regrets it. Like, there were a lot of years where my brother and I were like, why don't you get back into acting? And she gets roles and everything. But she's like, I was very satisfied with what I invested in. I didn't want to invest in my career. I invested in you too. And now this is like the biggest reward that I have, which is great, which is beautiful. But it taught me from a very early age that I need to have a balance. Yes, I am my mother's daughter and she's very worried कि एक दिन मुझे कोई मिलेगा मैं भी पूरा career छोड़ she is like she's like you're capable and I know I am but at the same time there's that balance of कि no I will not make the same mistakes that she did
What's
or
the name?
whatever. So
What's your mother's name?
her name is Amita Singh. She used to
Amita
go by
Singh.
Amit Kaur back then, but yeah, she is one of the most beautiful women. And it's funny when at 15 16 मैं auditions पे जाती थी मेरे से पहले they used to be like, ma'am, आप भी audition, like everywhere, आप भी audition कर लो, but she would be like, and she would get the role also like that. But still, she was like, अरे घर कौन, who will take care of you three if I also get on the road? And I'm just like, and she's the biggest critic, huh? It's not, I'm painting a very housewife mom. No. She's the boss of the family still. She is the biggest, like, if we've sung a song, my brother and I, we play it. she will be like, हाँ, but because she's so knowledgeable about music, she'll be like, ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये फिर से गा दे line. No, my dad will still be a little like, ये अच्छा है, but my mom will be like, ये क्या है, ये अच्छा नहीं, ये change करो. So yeah, I also have like critics at home.
No, no, absolutely. Akasa, it has been absolutely wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much for your time and congratulations for Jab Talak
Yes.
and your journey so far. And
Thank
I'm
you.
sure that you have a fantastic future ahead of you.
Thank you so much. One of the most wonderful, which I knew, it's always wonderful watching your conversations. And I knew when I do have a conversation with you, it's going to be amazing, but it was even better than I thought.
No,
I had
thank you.
so
Thank
much
you.
fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.